website. So Kafka is managed by apache.org, and let's go to the quick start. So we have installed Kafka, we have downloaded it, and I just started the Zookeeper. I started the Kafka. Now let's create a topic. So I'm just gonna copy this, I'm gonna paste it, and let me create the name of my topic. That's the developersfun topic, and I'm gonna keep the server as the default. And yeah, I've created the topic. Now let me start the producer. So the topic is TDF topic. And it is started, as you can see. Now it is waiting for the client. So let's start a client, and I need the messages from the beginning. This is because if I close the client and I open it again, I'll get the messages from the beginning. And I got started because I wrote started here. I'll say hello and send. I got hello here. Now if I close this, and I send some more topic 1, I mean the messages, message 1, message 2, message 2, message 3, and since the client is not available, it is not listening, but I'll get all the messages because of this beginning. So we are now going to start and send the messages from producer using Dropwizard. So I have already entered the dependency in the pom.xml, which is Apache Kafka client, and I've refreshed the Maven. So let's create a producer now. I'm gonna name it as PRS producer. Let's create producer and send message, and I'll accept the list of messages. It's of type void and it's public. So I'm gonna create a Kafka producer of key string, value string, Kafka producer. It needs something. What does it need? So either map or properties or property config. Let me use a map here. This looks simple. So finally map of string comma string map is equal to new hash map, and I'm gonna add what we have added in the console. So bootstrap server is required for, okay, this is consumer, so bootstrap server, and topic is required. Okay, let me create both of them. Map.put bootstrap.server and its value localhost colon 9092. Okay, and let me pass the map here. What does it need? But accepted now. It was because we have explicitly passed the string, and it needs the topic, I guess, because we have created the topic there. So topic, and the topic name is TTF topic. Okay, and I think this is enough till now. So it's kpr producer dot. Okay, I'll need to close this. Thank you. And kpr dot send message. I'll need a producer record. New what does it accept? It can accept the string and the value we are providing here. So string. What are those? So let me pass the default values. Okay, it says this is topic and this is value, so I don't think we need to pass the topic here. Let me pass the topic below. And I'll need to comment it from here. And the value is from the list of messages. So for each string message from messages, I'll need to send this inside this and message. So now we have created the producer. I don't think we need anything. I've seen we need deserializer, but let me see if this works. If this doesn't, then I'll add that. I'm gonna create a Kafka producer here. Private BRS producer, and let me directly create a BRS producer. I'm not gonna inject it. For the sake of simplicity, I'm directly creating it. It's void send messages, and it accepts the list of string messages, and it calls the producer dot create messages. okay, and I'm gonna call it in the resource so that I can call it from outside. I don't need this. It's a get. Okay, let me create again. Post messages. It's a list of a string. Messages. It's controller dot send message, and I'm gonna pass messages. It's a void, and it's not a get review, it's send messages. And yeah, let me test it if it works. So I'm gonna run this CPU. Okay, this is post. Why this is slow? And I don't need any headers, any body. I need message, so messages and value 1, then another messages and value 2. Doesn't work. What does it say? Error in handling because of key serializer. Okay, so it requires this. And what key serializer I need to pass? I'm passing the string message. Where is my producer? Here. So Control D. Key serializer. Value of key serializer. Key serializer. Okay, we have value serializer also, so copy these, and these are the properties you can pass. How many retries you need if it doesn't get sent, batch size, the memory, etc. and etc. So I'm just gonna use the default one now, key serializer and the value serializer. And this is map. What other serializer we have? So let me see outside. Dot. I have byte for string, for byte array, for bytes, for double, float, integer, long, short, UUID, serializer and deserializer. Okay, so we have many things over here. You can use them if you want. Okay, the server is started and it is 204 no content. Let me see if I got the error. No error. Okay, it has put the properties also, the configs. You can take a look when you run it. Now let me go to the client consumer. Okay, I got the values here and put it here. Let me grab the terminal here. Oops. And I'm gonna push some message. So it's hello how what's happening, how is everyone, and I'm gonna send it. Let me see if I get it. Got it. So yeah, it works. The producer works. Great. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for